Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share how I make my delicious herbal tea. Very delicious. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please don't forget to visit our online store. This herbal tea is just what I used. This is not for to treat any disease or anything. It's just my passion. And please don't forget, let us be friends on social media. And these are the tea that I used: chamomile, lemongrass, jasmine. I use hibiscus. I use a pomegranate, elderberry, and also I add green tea, which is so hard to put all the benefits, but please Google it and see. And you can add either sugar or honey or both. When you buy honey, please make sure it says undiluted, organic. And when I make hot tea, I use maca, flaxseed, and cholera. I manage to put a little bit of the direction. And before we make our tea, these are the oils that I infuse, which I'm going to share how I make oil later: lavender, carrot, rose, ginger. Please, if you are taking any medicine, consult your doctor before you take anything. This is not to diagnose or to treat anything. And this more of our oil: coffee, orange, aloe vera, rosemary, and lavender. And then let us go make our tea. Of course, we're going to need a pot. So what I do is that I eyeball it. But if you want to start as a starter, you can use 1 teaspoon of each tea. And you don't need to put all this tea. You can build gradually. I didn't start it with 5 tea at a time. I started gradually and I add more. So it's not like when I first started, I just put all these 5. And I'm still building. And you see that I'll take out or add. But everything that I used over here is very delicious, very good. If you can just Google it, you will see some of these benefits. So when I put all those, I will put green tea, organic organic matcha green tea. Then I'll fill it up and put it on the stove, and I will lower the stove to, I don't want it to just cook rapidly. And this is it. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook, and I turn the gas off, and I'm going to let it sit and let it cool down. And after that, we're just going to strain it. So this trick, I train my brain to think when I make this as a pop instead of drinking pop. It's not hot. It's very cold in Chicago, and my kitchen is this is just steaming. It's not hot. And when I go out to drive, I take cup and a flask with me, and I pretend I have a Coke or pop in a big cup. So when I make hot tea, so I add the flaxseed, I add cholera and maca. And this is how I do it. I put it there in a cup just like so. I use cup, like I said, when I go out. This cup you can get at a dollar store, 10 for $1. So I will put a maca, flaxseed, and cholera. The reason why I don't put this on a cold tea is it's going to be lumpy at the bottom. So, and when you make this, you don't even need much. You don't need much sugar. Once you put a little bit honey, or you don't use honey, it should be really taste good. The cholera make it so dark green. That cholera is really dark green, but it tastes good. So this is my tea right here. Then for cocktail, like I say, I train my brain to thinking that I'm drinking pop. This is really good. This will replace all the sugar and all the chemical they put on the drink that would pop that way. Even when I go to, if I stop by at a drive-through fast food restaurant, I take this tea with me. I just get what I need. Instead of taking pop, I will just drink this as a pop. So that's the trick. So I will make it put honey or sugar. Normally I use this cup, but I want us to see how I do it. So when I put it, before I put it in the ice, I will put the ice, then I'll put the tea in the refrigerator to cool down. Then after that, I'm just going to pour it in a cup like this. Like I said, I use plastic paper cup, but I just want us to see. And after that, this is our tea right here. So I'm just going to pour it and take it with me. This is a cholera green tea. Very delicious. And there are a lot of benefits to this tea. And I want to share some of our products. This is Safi body hand all-purpose hand and body cream, body oil, which is really good. I will put the link in the information box that you can check it out. And this is our green tea. Eye serum is really good. And this is me right here. I want to show it's really delicious. Very, very delicious. And the trick to this is that this will lessen sugar that we eat. If you can do it, try it. Start with a couple of tea. And you can get this at our Whole Food or online. That's where you can get all this if you want to buy the natural one. And this is our tea right here. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Please visit our online store. Check the link on the information box. See you guys on the next time. Mwah.